Welcome back, everyone. Thank you for dropping by. Today I also have a new package to show you that I received. I want to share with you, and it's going to be, I know for sure, nail products. As I said, I've been going crazy with ordering nail products. And with that being said, let's go ahead and get it started. Here we go. Now this one, if it's the one I think it is, I ordered from eBay or through eBay. This came from New Jersey. I don't know what the seller's name is because it's kind of blocked off here. I can't see. But anyways, it is an eBay order for the nail product that I ordered. I think they're polishes, but let's see what happens here when I open it up. So let's see what it is. So here we go. Well, it looks like they double packaged these, so let's see what it is. Alright, so these are Born Pretty nail product gel polishes. Let me open this other one up real quick here. Alright, I hope none of these are damaged. They're not packaged very well. Wasn't really protected that much. The box is kind of like messed up. This one's well maintained in a package, so that's good. But this one, it's kind of like all over the place in here, so it's kind of a little bit damaged, as you can see. The nail polishes in there are rattling all over the place. So again, this is also Born Pretty product, nail polishes. Okay, now this, if I remember correctly, these gel polishes are supposed to be for the fall color collection. Okay, again, they're fall gel polishes for fall color collections. So there's supposed to be 15 polish in here, and they are 15 milliliter polishes. I try not to buy anything smaller than 15 milliliter. I think you get your money's worth if you order 15 milliliter and no less, unless you really truly want that color and it does not come in 15 milliliter size. So that's entirely up to you, but as for me, I would like to keep the purchase for gel polish 15 milliliters and up, because so you have a while to use those colors. Alright, as I said, it's all over the place. It fell out, so let's be careful here and dump it out. Oh, dump it out. Alright, so these once again are supposed to be the fall color collection. I think I have some of these colors already, but they are a collection, so I have no choice. If I like half of it and the other half I have already, it just tough luck for me. I will just have to keep what I get with it. And again, these were a set for fall collection for this one. I can't remember how much I paid for these. I think, if I remember correctly, they were $24. I'm thinking it's 24. Let's just round it off to $25. So for 12 of these, for $24, it's like $2 each. And I think that's really a good deal for a 15 milliliter gel polishes. Now, I am wearing these gel polish, and they are Born Pretty nail polishes. I love them. That's why I bought more. I have been using Pretty Nails gel polishes for a while. They are truly a good quality of polishes. Once again, I try not to go any smaller than 15 milliliter gel polishes. You will get your money's worth if you buy the 15 milliliter. It costs a little bit more, but sometimes you find a good deal with some of the other sellers or other lines of products. Sometimes you just have to take the chance and order the products that you have never used before and hope for the best. And in my case, I have been pretty much happy with all the other lines of gel polishes I've used. There may be one or two I may not like, but then hey, we can't be happy and be satisfied with every single thing we ordered, right? You work with what you have and make the best out of it and work around it to make it better, so it could be a better liking to your needs or whoever's needs it is. So let me just go ahead and show you the thickness of the polishes itself. I like them. Again, it's very pigmented to me, for me at least, and as you can see here, it drips but not as quickly, so the thickness of it, viscosity of it is really good. And like I said, I'm happy with their line of gel polishes. And the ones I'm wearing right here, the fall colors, and not these, they're not these, but some of the colors in here are the colors that I've used. So it's this one right here, I believe is excuse me, I believe it's this one, I'm not quite sure, but yeah, all these colors on my nails right now I did a couple of days ago. They are Born Pretty polishes, including the cat eye, and also the base coat and top coat are Born Pretty nails as well, gel polishes. All right, so once again, I am happy with their products. Okay, so this is the fall collection. Box was all kind of like rough looking here. It kind of broke a little bit, but that's all right because we're not using the boxes, so that's okay. As long as the product itself, it's safely transferred to us, sent to us, so that's great. No breakage, no damages, so that's great. So now let's look at this second box here. This was also the collection in the same order I got with the fall. This is the winter, as you could probably tell from the box itself. It's a winter collection. Once again, you get 12 polishes in here, okay, and they're all 15 milliliter. I love 15 milliliters. I do not like anything smaller. Anything smaller, it becomes too little to last you, well, in my case, to last you to do, you know, the number of fingers you could do and play with for the color itself. So I like the 50 milliliter. It lasts you longer. You pay a little bit more, but it lasts. Anyway, so let's go ahead and take a look at these gel polished box here. Again, this is the Christmas color collection, and the other one was fall. Let's go ahead and open this up and see the inside. This one was better protected than the other fall color collection box because it's been wrapped with plastic, so it doesn't fall all over the place. So let's go ahead and take a look. Let's see what we have in here. Take a look at the colors. I'll be careful a little bit here. All right, so we'll just trash that. All right, here they are. 12 sets of colors. 12 sets of colors. Now with the Born Pretty polishes, I love the way how they design their little polish bottles with their color truancy to the actual thing, and it's on top of it right there. And again, they're all 15 milliliter. And the color's always on top. This one, I can't really show you all a single one, but excuse me. See the cap right there, the colors. I'm going to open every single one of them. These are the Christmas colors. Go over real quickly here. They are nice in color, and once again, they are Christmas color collection. Love them. Love the colors. It's a great deal. Once again, these are also like $24 and some odd cents. So let's just round it up to $25. So each of these 12 sets of polish were total of $50 plus tax. And it's great. It'll last you for a while. And these, let me show you the color on these. It's kind of tricky here because it just goes through. Let me just tilt it over a little bit here. Having a hard time here. Oops. Alrighty. Flip it over here. Okay. Well, let me show you these. These are the fall colors. Go here, fall colors. Those are the fall colors. I want to open every single one to show you, but I will just show you the caps. So these are the other two colors. All right, so there you have it. We have fall color, and also we have the winter color collection over here. And Born Pretty nail colors are awesome. The gel polishes, I love them. They're great, to my opinion, that is. So fall colors, Christmas color. I don't know if there's any left on there. I got it through eBay. If you like them, check them out and see if you like them or not. Even personal use, do it yourself or professionally. It works for me. So, all right, you guys, thank you for dropping by, and I hope you enjoyed this video. We'll talk to you next time. Bye-bye. Hi, everyone. Thanks for dropping by. I have received another package today, and I would like to share with you in opening it and see what it is. I ordered quite a few stuff. I'm not quite sure what this is, but we'll find out together. So here we go. I ordered this, apparently, like most of my stuff is through eBay, but I'm not quite sure. I ordered a couple items from different other sites as well. So this one is from California as well. So let's find out what it is. I have no clue what this is. Let's find out and see what it is. All right, looks like they're my gel polishes I ordered through eBay. So these are gel polish. There's no name brand on here, so I'm not quite sure who I ordered from, to be honest with you. I cannot remember, but this is gel polish, And I believe I got these from eBay. And I have 6 of them. And again, I don't know what brand these are. Generic or not, as long as it does a job, there's no point in spending a lot of money. Don't get me wrong, if you could afford the most expensive gel polish, or any items really, you're more than welcome to it. But for me, I try to keep it, you know, cheap, but not too cheap. Again, if it's cheap and if it does a job, it's fine with me. Works for me just fine. So, and like I said, most of my other gel polishes that I've tried, I have been satisfied with all of them except one brand. They sent me, so let's see, I don't know what brand this is, but it looks really thick and very pigmented. So I'm happy with this. So that was like, I don't even want to call this neon green or not. And this, yep, it's thick. So that's a good sign. As you can see there, nice and thick. The color's really nice. I'm going crazy for this holiday buying all the gel polish stuff. This is another, oh, can't open it, but there's another green. Can't seem to open. Not a neon green, but here's a real true green. And here's, I don't know what you want to call this, baby blue, turquoise, I'm not quite sure. So I could open this one. Oh my gosh, they're all so tight. I'm gonna have to get me a plier or something. But again, there's no brand. It is 15 milliliter. As I told you guys before, I don't go any less than that. If I can pay a little bit more, I'd rather get the 15 milliliter, the 5 ounce. It's worth, you know, the amount of gel polish that you get. It'll last you a while, so you don't have to worry about running out too soon. Versus those 7 milliliters, or half of this size. And unless I truly really like them, I will order it. But once again, I stick with the 15 milliliters, 5 ounce, 0.5 ounce, or half an ounce, whatever you want to call it. But that's that color. And they look almost the same color, but they're not. So it looks like baby blue in this one, and this one's turquoise. Well, in the same family hue, so that's that. And again, unfortunately, I don't have the brand name of this particular product. I don't care. I received it. They look well pigmented and thickness of it, so it looks like it'll do the job. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for dropping by, you guys. Have a good one.